like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And I'm out of breath and I'm sorry, but I just finished working out and I can't wait for you to see the workout that I just did. Like I said, I'm not a professional fitness coach or trainer or anything like that, but I have been working out and I feel healthy and fit and I feel so good every time and I'm getting results. Now, if you want to have results, just follow me. That's all you have to do. Just follow me and hit that subscribe button below. So let's get started. Just can't hide it. Okay, I'm going to show you some of my workout routine and I'm going to focus on my glutes today. And if you notice that I am carrying my waist trimmer, I always use my waist trimmer every time I work out because I sweat faster and for me it gives me results. So just wrap this waist trimmer around your waist. And then if you're interested to know where I got this from, I got this from Amazon, but if you want the link, I can send you them as well. So this workout that we're about to do, basically you just need a bench, or if you don't have a bench, you can also use a box or a chair. Yeah, you can do a chair, and also you need some weights, dumbbells, or if you don't have weights, then it's fine. You can do this workout without those weights as well. So all you have to do is put your right leg on the bench like this. Okay, maybe the space between your left leg and the bench is maybe like 2 feet apart. And then if you have weights, grab your weights like this. And then you are going to focus on your left leg. Basically, your right leg is just there for support. So don't use your right leg to pull you up or to push you down. Okay? So, like this. Make sure that your knees is not in front of your toes and you are really pushing your body with your left leg, focusing on those glutes like this. So you're going to perform this workout on each leg, 3 sets of 10. So are you ready? Okay, so let's get started. Grab my weights. Okay, this is 17.5 pounds on each side. Now, you don't need to use heavy weights, you know, just maybe a weight that you are comfortable with. So we're gonna start with our left leg. Okay, I'm gonna put on my right leg on the bench. So let's get started. Three. Okay, focus on those glutes. It's okay if you are shaking. Make sure your form is good. I can really feel it now. For sure tomorrow, I promise you, you're going to be sore. So now, let's do the right leg. Not enough. you need to do 3 sets out of 10. Wow, I'm really feeling it now, guys. My heart is pumping. I feel sore, so it means it's working. If you're not sore and it's not hurting, it means you need to push more because it won't work for you. Okay?
Like a Hellcat.